So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel in Knowledge Life. So friends, today we are going to do the question number 9. So what they said guys, that two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter, like this is a pole of height 11 meters and this is a pole of height 6 meters. Okay, and the distance between feet of poles is 12 meters. So these are the foot of, or we can say feet of poles, and their distance from this to this, like point A to B, is 12 centimeters. Okay, so according to question we have to find the distance. D is denoted by distance, sorry, distance between the tips. Okay, we have to find the distance between their tips, means these tips. Okay, so how we can find it, like if we say these are the two standing poles, okay, and the distance between their feet is 12 centimeters. So if we say that we draw a line from the tip of 6 centimeter pole to 11 at a perpendicular, so we will, this will be also be 12, and from the tip of 11 centimeters pole we draw a line, slanting line, to the tip of 6 centimeters, and we got a triangle. So let us consider that it is our point A, it is our point B, and it is our point C. It is 12 centimeters, so it will also be 12 centimeters. It's our first side. To find the second side, like 11 minus 6 equals to 5 meters. Okay, 5 meters. So this side will be 5 meters, because the whole pole is of height 11 meters, and if we minus this height of this pole, which is 6 meters, then we will get the answer 5 meters. Okay, so the height of this area is 5 centimeters. So BC is 5 centimeters, AB is 12 centimeters, and now we will find the answer AC. Okay, so let us apply this on board by formula. So according to the formula, h square equals to p square plus b square. So here our h is AC square equals to BC square plus AB square. Okay, AC is our hypotenuse, BC is our perpendicular, and AB is our base. Okay, so AC will remain constant because we didn't have AC. So AC square equals to 5 square plus 12 square. So AC square equals to 25 plus 144. Okay, so AC square equals to 169. Okay, so AC will be AC square equals to 13 square. AC equals to 13 meters. 13 meters. Okay, because 169 is the square of 13. 13 into 13 is 169, so it will be 13 square. The square is cancels, and our AC is 13 meters. So let us check the answer. So here's our book. Let us open the answer page. So yeah, it is our answer page. I'll zoom it. You can see here question number 9. Oh, Question number 9, answer 13 centimeters. And here our answer is also 13 centimeters. Sorry, 13 meters. So our answer is correct. Okay friends, let us move to our another question. So friends, our next question is, in the given figure, AB perpendicular to CD, AB is 7 centimeters, BD equals to 25 centimeters and CD equals to 17 centimeters. Find the length of the side BC. So let us find it on our board. So friends, it is our diagram. According to the question, AB is parallel to CD. So it is our line CD and it is our line AB. So these are parallel. Okay. So AB equals to 7 centimeters. AB equals to 7 centimeters. Okay. 7 centimeters. And BD means this line is 25 centimeters. Okay, 25 centimeters. And the line CD equals to 7 centimeters. So this line is equals to 17 centimeters. Okay, 17 centimeters. So friends, we have to find the equation. So how will we find it? Okay, so friends, let us draw a line here. Okay, from this point B to above the line CD. Okay, so friends, I have constructed it. This diagram is smaller, so it is difficult to understand it, the actual length here. So we'll see that this line, the AB is 7 centimeters and CD is parallel to this. So if we see that after drawing this line, these are parallel. So if it is 7 centimeters, so it will also be 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters, and remaining this is 10 centimeters. I know you are confusing. It is a smaller portion showing here, but in actual it is a bigger portion. Let me tell you how. So friends, now you can see in actual it will look like this, but we have made a smaller diagram, so that's why it was looking small. Okay, so let us make equation now by having this. Okay, so friends, to solve this question we have to first find the side AD. So here I have already written it by 25 square equals to AD square plus 7 square, because RH is 25, this base 7 B and perpendicular DA. Okay, AD. So it will be like 625, because square of 25 is 625 equals to DA square plus 49. Okay, 49. So we will take this 49 after crossing the bridge here. So 625 minus 49 equals to DA square. Okay friends, so after minusing this we will got the answer 576 equals to DA square, and after that DA square equals to, we will got 24 square. So our answer will be DA equals to 24 centimeters. Okay, so because 576 is square of 24, if we multiply 24 two times, So we will get the answer 576. Okay friends, to find that our answer is correct or not, हमारा आंसर करेक्ट है या नहीं इसे जानने के लिए, to find that we will solve the next side, and after getting the final answer we can get that our answer is correct or not. So friends, now I am not denoting the sides, I am directly going to the equation numbers. So h is our BC square equals to 24 square plus CD means 10 square. Okay, so you can see here by BC square equals to 576 plus 100 and BC square equals to 676, and 676 is the square of 26, so BC square equals to 26 square, so the BC is 26 centimeters. Okay, because 26 multiply 26 two times, then you will get the answer 676. Okay, so friends, let us check that our answer is correct or not. So here is our book. I'm going back to the pages, and yes, here is our page, and you can see here, like I zoom it, that question number 10, 26 centimeters, exercise 13a. So here is 26 centimeters, and here our answer is also 36 centimeters, so our answer is correct. Okay friends, so friends, our next question is question number 11. In the given figure, angle B equals to 90 degree, XY is parallel to BC, and AB equals to 12 centimeters. AY equals to 8 centimeters and AX ratio XB 1:2. Find the length of AC and BC. Okay friends, so according to the question, this line, okay, this line is of 8 centimeters, and this whole line from A to B is of 12 centimeters, and we have to find the length of AC, whole AC, and BC. Okay friends, to solve this, first we will make a equation like this: AB equals to 12 centimeters, AY equals to 8 centimeters, and AX ratio XB equals to 1:2. So here AC is undefined and BC is undefined. Okay, so let us be considered like AX equals to AX equals to 1 centimeter and BC equals to 2x. Okay, sorry, we have to correct one thing here. Wait, we will multiply A into B equals to 2x. Yeah, this is right. Okay, so now AX plus XB equals to AB. So x plus 2x equals to 12. So 3x equals to 12, because the x will be considered as 1 power 1. So 1x plus x 2x equals to 3x equals to 12. So x equals to 12 by 3. Okay, so 3 this will be cut, and then our answer x will be 4. Okay, so let us find another one side. Sorry. So our next side will be ax equals to 4 centimeters and xb equals to 4 into 2. So our answer will be 8 centimeters. Okay, so let us go to the next step. So our next step will be ax by xb equals to a4 by yc. Okay, according to the formula. So 4 by 8 equals to 8 by yc, because if you see in previous, our ax was 4 and xby was 8, and here it is been sorry, it is not a 4, it's a y. Okay, ay upon yc. So we are going to find yc. If we cancel this, we will got 2 answer. So 1 over 2, we cannot take a single number, so we have put a 1 over here into, sorry, equals to 8 by yc, and we will do a reciprocal here by sorry, not a reciprocal, we will multiply these with each other. So it will yc equals to 2 into 8. So yc equals to 16 centimeters. Okay, so here we will write like ac equals to ay plus yc. So ac equals to 8 plus 16 equals to 24 centimeters. Okay, so friends, our ax is 4 centimeters, our xb, mean this line, is 8 centimeters. The real, I am putting r with them. So ax is 4 and xb is 8. If you plus this, you will get answer 12. So whole line AB is of 12 centimeters, AX is of 4 centimeters, and XB will be 8 centimeters. So now BC, the line BC we have to find. So friends, now we can solve this question. So let us apply the formula. H square equals to P square plus B square. So here our H will be 24 square equals to 12 square plus BC square. Okay, so let us calculate it. Like it will be 576. The square of 24 is 576. Square of 12 is 144 plus BC square. So if you minus 144 from 576 by taking 144 crossing the bridge here, so we will minus it, equals to BC square. Okay, so our answer will be 332 equals to BC square. So BC will be 12 root 3 centimeters. Okay, so our answer will be 12 root 3 centimeters. So let us check that our answer is right or not. So friends, I have already opened the page here. You can see that the question number 11, okay, question number 11, AC is 24 centimeters and BC is 12 root 3 centimeters. And if we convert it, we will get the answer 20.78 centimeters. Okay, and here our answer is also 12 root 3 centimeters. So our answer is correct. Okay friends, so let us over this lecture. And if you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe on my channel. And if you need more videos regarding any topic, you can write it in comment box and I will definitely make a video on that. Thanks and have a nice day.